And it's snowing right here today. So today is the worst kasi vaccination day namin, guys. It's our booster vaccine. So pang-tatlo na, booster na. So super bad weather, my God. Syempre kasama ko ang aking sisterette. There she goes. Ayan. Ba-vaccine din yan siya. So you see, parang German citizen na yan, ha? Kasi dito na siya nagpapavaccine. Social. So ang totoo, guys, lumipad lang siya papuntang Germany para lang magpa-vaccine. O diba? Ano yung vaccine niya? Original. Char. Joke. So as in super bad weather outside. Look! Ayan, my goodness. Ay, nako. Ang lungkot ng weather today. So, of course, kasama ko ang aking banana. Ayan, ang driver ko. Forever. At syempre, magpapabaksin din siya. So, wish me luck. Wish us luck. You know, guys, my husband don't like that I always take videos, whatever I do. He don't like it because I have no more privacy in my life. You know, he is really a bad man. He is really so mean to me. I will ask him. So why you don't like I take video, Dong? What's wrong with it? Hello, I'm asking.
I must concentrate in driving.
You see, he don't want to answer me because he must concentrate. You see how mean he is? He's really mean to me. So, oh, see, and he's laughing to death right there. He want to hurt my feelings. What a man. I have depression now. And it's okay for him that I have depression because he want to be free from me. Oh my God, you're so mean. I hate you now.
I have a very good medic against depression.
You have a very what?
Good medic.
He said he have a very good medication against depression. Woo! But I don't have. And Jenny there, oh, she's crying to death.
Depression.
Jenny also have depression that she have to extend her visa here in Germany. So that we can celebrate together, and it is the best gift under this condition, corona crisis in the world. My goodness.
Blut- und herzlose Frau.
So ayan guys, tapos na po kaming magpa-vaccine sa aming pangatlong vaccine. Syempre, paglabas namin, napaka-bad weather pa rin. Look, oh. Nako, nakaka-visit mag-drive pag ganito. Pero syempre, wala tayong choice. So, feeling ko ngayon guys, nagnanamp na paunti-unti yung aking braso. Pero okay lang, carry lang. So, we're going home now. So guys, ayan, nakauwi na kami. At syempre, naghiga-higa muna ako dito, nagpahinga. Pero actually guys, wala akong nararamdaman, promise. Siguro wala pa, maybe later. Sana naman hindi masyadong OA yung side effect sa akin. So, yung tinusok sa amin ay Moderna. Ayan, pero tinanggal ko na yung plaster. Ito yung kaliwang braso yung pinatusukan. So, sana walang masyadong bad na side effect. We will see. Baka mamaya zombie na ako. But anyway, I'm sure carry lang yan. So, ano ko guys, yung first vaccine ko, AstraZeneca yon. Tapos yung pangalawa kong vaccine, BioNTech. Tapos ngayon pangatlo, Moderna. Yun yung combination sa akin, paiba-iba. Sana safe na ako. I mean, no one is sure. Pero, syempre, we're hoping na magiging safe na tayo, no? Sana lahat magiging safe. By the way, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin dyan, subscribe na. Thank you so much. So, ingat-ingat guys, and thank you so much for watching. God bless. Bye!